everybody. It is I, Grover.
Well, before we sing a song, I just want to say Joy has all the answers she want to give us. And now,
And today, we're going to sing a song for you.
Hit it, Cookie Monster. 1, 2, and no.
1, 2, 3, 4. If you're happy and you know it.
Do you think I have all the answers? Of course I don't.
5 hours later, everyone.
What the fuck did you say?
You better watch your mouth.
What's talking about this? Shut the hell up! You motherfucker!
Hey, who do you think you're talking to? You want to hit Donald Duck, you stupid dog? Later.
Oh, why, hello, everybody. Welcome back. Oh, Mickey Mouse. What? Bring it on, please.
Moments later,
Mickey Mouse and Goofy and Donald Duck and Grover and Big Bird are arguing about Minnie Mouse.
this happened.
Mickey Mouse, what did you do? Mickey Mouse?
What the fuck's wrong with you, man?
Mickey Mouse, what did you say about Minnie? I said Minnie Mouse is a bitch.
Mickey Mouse, you had to deal with Minnie Mouse. I do not like her, haha.
Do you know how much Jack is going to tell you?
And he's not gonna like you?
Hey! What is going on?
What's going on with this argument? Everyone was talking about Minnie Mouse. But Donald didn't say it, Big Bird didn't say it, I didn't say it, Goofy didn't say it. Alright, then...
Who did this? Oh, that was Jack.
Mickey Mouse.
You're calling me a bitch. That was Donald. Well, you were stupid. Bitch, it was not me, motherfucker. Oh, baby, if it wasn't Donald, it was probably Goofy.
Or maybe it was Grover or someone else who did.
That was Big Bird,
Minnie
Jack. I
Mouse.
swear to God, it was Big Bird. Yep.
What? No, I didn't.
Minnie Mouse?
Jack, it was Grover, I swear.
Oh, excuse me, Big Bird. It was you. Don't you dare lie to me.
No, it was you. Shut up.
Oh, I'm sorry. Do you
Did
know
they
how
call
to
Minnie
drive?
names?
No, you don't.
Or Minnie Mouse had to call you her names? No, you don't. I don't call Minnie Mouse names. I call her pretty because Minnie Mouse, she had a lot of exceptions because she had to divorce Mickey Mouse to do the dishes. Like, yeah, she also do that for her life. Well, excuse me, Big Bird. Who told Mickey Mouse to do the dishes? It was probably Minnie Mouse. She was really good at telling Mickey Mouse to divorce. Oh, I'm sorry. Did they tell you how to divorce Mickey Mouse? No, you don't.
No, it was you, Big Bird. Stop playing. Now you shut up.
Minnie Mouse, what is going on here?
You're about to find out, lizard.